Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying your gear and confirming location capture. Turn on device GPS and grant the camera app persistent location permission. This ensures coordinates are embedded. Set correct time, date, and time zone in the camera so the EXIF timestamp matches satellite time. Once done, choose photo file format. JPEG keeps EXIF easily. RAW may need extra steps. Make sure battery and storage are sufficient because interrupted writes can corrupt GPS tags. Once you have a steady GPS fix, compose and shoot. You want the device to show at least several satellites locked so precision improves. That's why you wait. Use any map overlay or compass view to align bearing and confirm visible landmarks. After shooting, immediately inspect the image's EXIF data in a quick preview app to verify latitude, longitude, altitude, and timestamp are recorded. If coordinates are missing, retry with a different app or enable high accuracy mode. To finish, export or transfer images in a way that preserves EXIF. Use direct file transfer or cloud services that keep metadata. For batches, match camera timestamps to a GPX or KML track and write coordinates back using geotagging software. This maintains accuracy. If a photo lacks location, you can recover it by syncing its timestamp with a GPS log. One key troubleshooting tip: if times differ, convert time zones or daylight savings offsets before matching, otherwise locations will be off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.